In 1901, Greek sponge divers found a shipwreck at the bottom of the Mediterranean. Inside it was a lump of corroded bronze nobody could explain. It would take scientists over 100 years to figure out what it actually was. The wreck was 2,000 years old, sitting near the tiny island of Antikythera. Most of what divers pulled up was exactly what you'd expect: statues, coins, pottery. But one twisted piece of bronze looked nothing like the rest. At first, historians assumed it was just a broken clock, dropped into the wreck by accident. But mechanical clocks like that wouldn't be invented for another 1,400 years. That theory made no sense at all. In 1902, archaeologist Valerio Staes noticed something impossible embedded in the rock: a gear, cut from bronze, precise enough to interlock like a machine centuries ahead of its time. X-rays in the 1970s revealed more gears hidden inside the corrosion. By the 2000s, high-resolution CT scans found the truth: this device held at least 30 interlocking bronze gears, a complexity no other ancient object has ever matched. It wasn't a clock. It was a mechanical computer, built to predict the position of the sun, the moon, and 5 planets, years in advance. It could even forecast solar eclipses to the exact day. Turn the hand crank, and tiny bronze gears would spin in perfect ratios, mimicking the movements of the entire visible universe as the Greeks understood it. Someone in ancient Greece had built a working analog computer. Nothing this advanced appears again in the historical record for over 1,000 years. No blueprints survive. No ancient text ever mentions it. No second device like it has ever been found. In 2021, a team at University College London finally rebuilt a working model based on the scanned data. It took modern engineers, with modern tools, months to reproduce what one ancient craftsman apparently built alone. So the real mystery was never actually solved. We know what the Antikythera mechanism did. We still don't know who was skilled enough to build it, or how many more were lost to time. If a machine like this could stay hidden at the bottom of the sea for 2,000 years, imagine what else is still down there waiting to be found. Subscribe for more untold stories that history almost forgot.